Good day, everyone. Welcome to this presentation I prepared for Information and Technology Management. I am Dumbert Basic. Today, we will explore key aspects shaping the future of hospitality through critical lenses. We will delve into design of layout innovation, the evolving role of technology and social media, strategies, enhanced guest services, and engaged in finally your role in dynamic and growing industry. Sustainability is an essential focus for the future of hospitality, aimed at reducing the environmental impact of hotel operations. This involves implementing comprehensive strategies that address environmental preservation as well as economic and social responsibilities. Hotels that embrace these initiatives contribute to long-term businesses viability while supporting the community they serve. The adoption of energy-efficient technologies such as LED lighting, solar panels, and smart thermostat significantly reduces operational costs and conserve bioresources like electricity and gas. These technologies represent a balanced approach to achieving ecological sustainability alongside economic benefits. Their deployment helps hotel operates more efficient and responsibly. Effective waste management practices includes recycling, program composting, and reducing single-use plastics are crucial to minimizing pollution and preserving environmental quality. By diverting waste from landfill to hospitality businesses can reduce ecological footprints. This effort also enhance their reputations as environmental consciousness organizations. Water conservation methods such as installing low-flow fixtures and harvesting rainwaters contribute significantly to the preservation of local water supplies, particularly in drought-prone regions. Efficient irrigation system further reduce water consumption and operational costs. Advancing such water-saving initiative reflects the hotel commitment to sustainable resource management. Supporting local suppliers aligned with sustainability goals by decreasing emissions from transportations and promoting economic growth within the community. The farm to plate model ensure the guests enjoy fresher, seasonal appropriate food option. This approach fosters a strong connection with the local producers and contributes to the hotel overall sustainability profile. Establishing meaningful relationships with local communities is vital for fostering social responsibility and enhancing brand reputation. Engaging authentically with neighbors allow hotels to provide guests with immersive cultural experience. This connection fosters goodwill and differentiates such hotel within the competitive hospitality landscapes. Collaborating with local artisans and craftsmen preserve regional tradition while enriching the cultural offerings available to the guests. This partnership supports the local economy and promotes sustainable development. Authentic cultural expression at the hotel enhance overall guest experience. Hotel that hosts and organize cultural events promote local heritage and encourage meaningful tourist engagement such as events provide opportunities for the social interaction, education, and community strengthening. They also contribute to the distinct identify and appeal of hospitality venue. Providing job training and employment opportunities to local residents empower the communities and build a skilled, dedicated workforce. This program addresses social and economic disparities benefits both resident and hotel operations. Investing in workforce development is essential for sustainable hospitality growth. Inclusive tourism ensures accessibility and equitable services for guests at all abilities and backgrounds. Designing facilities and services with diverse needs in mind broadens market reach. Hospitality that embraces inclusivity demonstrate ethical commitment and enhance brand image. Future-focused menus emphasize sourcing local and seasonal ingredients, which reduce the environmental impact of food procurement. Collaboration with local farmers, strengthen food system, and support local economies. Align menus with seasonal availabilities, enhance the freshness and quality of culinary offerings. Incorporating indigenous and culturally authentic dishes, preserve culinary heritage, and offer suggests unique dining experience showcasing local culture through food allows travelers to connect deeply with the destinations. This culinary authenticity enriches the guest experience. Customizable menus that address dietary preferences such as vegan, gluten-free, keto, and allergens-free options cater to a wider range of guests. Such flexibility meets modern health lifestyle demands, improving satisfaction. Offering diverse dining choice reflects a commitment and inclusivity and wellness. Menu increasingly features superfood and nutrient-rich ingredients consistent with wellness trends. These foods provide functional health benefits and appeals to health-conscious consumers. Incorporating such items supports guests' overall well-being during their stay. The integration of technologies such as AI-powered and digital menus enables real-time menus updates, personalized recommendation, and inventory management. These advanced reduce food waste and enhance operational efficiency. Technology enrich the dining experience by delivering precision and customization. Authentic storytelling on social media platform builds emotional connection and trust with guests. Transparency and genuine narrative encourage guest engagement and foster brand loyalty. Social media serve as a powerful tool for communicating hotel unique story. Guest-generated content and influencer collaboration extend brand exposure and credibility. User content serve as effective social proof, influencing potential clients' perception. Collaboration with influencers enable target of a specific relevant audience. Active engagement through interactive features such as polls, Q&As, and live broadcasts cultivates an involved and vibrant online community. Meaningful interaction retains follower interest and motivates continued engagement, such as social media strategies translate into higher guest loyalty. Social media platforms facilitate real-time promotion and event announcement that drive bookings and enhance visibility. Target market ensure the relevant outreach to appropriate customer segments. Responsive communications optimize promotional effectiveness. Analyzing social media metrics offer the vital insight to refine marketing efforts and maximize ROI. Data-driven decisions improve content relevance and campaign impact. Sustained evaluation and optimization maintain a competitive advantage in digital marketing.